Good morning, Dubai. Today I prepare a vegan breakfast. If you like my recipe, please click the subscribe button. Alright, I already prepared yesterday evening the chia seeds. I put chia seeds into coconut oil, left it for minimum 12 hours. I took mango, put them into the mixer. Then I took frozen raspberries, put them also into the mixer overnight. Then I have fresh fruits, and now I show you how I just mix it. Very easy. So you can start. Just put the mango in. Mango I mixed a little bit with agave syrup. So to not mix the colors, I take different chia seeds. And here the raspberries. And on top you just put some fresh fruits on. Et voila! Look at this chia pudding. So if you want to have the recipe, just click subscribe as always, and I also post what you have to buy. Pancakes. Everybody loves pancakes. So it's very easy. Put 100 grams of flour, 1 package of baking powder, a little bit salt and sugar. I just put like 1 spoon of sugar, mix it. Then you need 100 milliliter of soya milk, and then just mix it as always. All the ingredients in. The soya milk, and you leave it for 10 minutes. You can take your coffee, of course, with soya milk, with almond milk, whatever options you have, but no milk, because it's vegan. We don't want to harm any animals. As you see, I put the dough into the pan. It already has a little bit bubbles. It means you can turn it. Oh, Mr. Putin, I think it's already dinner time or what? Yeah, so, but it's a breakfast, of course. So now, boom, whoop. See, you just flip it, you wait, it has a nice color, wait again, but be careful that it doesn't become dark at all. So, look at this. You can flip it all the time again if you like. You just make like this. Whoop-a-la. See, it's like morning sport. I think it's done. Don't make it too dry. Okay. Give it 1 more minute and it's done. The 100% vegan breakfast is ready. I have here first of all the orange juice. I have the Chia yogurt, very colorful. I have the pancake. I put just here the mango mousse on, here the raspberries, and for the sweetness, agave syrup. No milk in, no butter, no animal products. And then the side, you can just eat fruits. It's for the whole day. Just take it to the office and you have power for the whole day. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, just click the subscribe button.